So in this video tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can get free cloud storage for your device, and that is provided by Google One. So in case you haven't installed Google One, type Google One in the Play Store. I would say Google Drive is already there for you to backup and store, but in case you want to backup almost everything like your emails, notes, calendar events, Google Photos in just one click, then Google One is the solution. In case you want to backup all your data from one device to another, then Google One is a perfect solution. In just one click, you can backup all your data. So the benefits that you can get from Google One are like you can get free cloud storage, it is trusted and your data is completely safe. It backups data in one go, including all your data in your device like your photos, like your videos, Gmails, calendar events and so many things. And if you enhance your subscription plan to 2 TB Google plan, you can get 2 TB of storage like for your Gmail, for your Drive, and 10% cash back when you shop something on the Google Store. And you can also share your subscription with your family members. If you have a family group on your Google account, they can share your storage with you. And the another benefit that you can get is Google Experts. These trained people will help you with any of the company products that you want to know about. And Google One also offers a VPN by Google One that will be provided to the users or the members having 2 TB plan or higher, because for individuals it would not be used. So these are the best advantages that you can get from Google One. So let's start the demo to show you how you can backup your data in Google One in just one click and choose the membership plan or the storage plan in one go. And yes, what you need to do here is you have to go here in the Google One app. You simply can download it from your Play Store also. If you have already downloaded the Google One app, simply just click over it and this is the interface that you will get here. So the storage and more with Google One, you will backup your data in just one click. So what you have to do is backup your device data. Now your photos, contacts, text messages and everything in your device will get backup in just one click. So your device data, your multimedia messages, you can click here to activate it, photos and videos. So if you want to backup using your mobile data, you can click over here and just click on backup now. And when you simply click here in the backup now option, you will simply backup all your data, which is your multimedia messages, your photos and videos and your device data also, where not only you can backup your contacts, text messages, your emails, your photos, videos, everything would get backup here. And after that, when you will click here, get your space back. So if you want to clean, in case some large files are there or some emails or photos which are large in size, you can also delete that here by clicking here on the storage manager option. After that, there is the storage option. This option shows that you have got 15 GB of available storage, which is free for everyone. After that, this is Google Facts, which are given here. You can read it. This is the whole storage option which I have shown you. After that, there is benefits option. Now when you upgrade to gain member benefits, so when you upgrade to the membership account, you simply have to click here in the upgrade option. And 15 GB is free, which is the current status, and membership options are here. So for 100 GB you will have to pay 130 per month. For 200 GB you have to pay 210 per month, 2 DB, 10 TBs, 20 and 30. And they have also shown you that how much of money you have to pay. So when you will click here in the support option, you will get a number of things like, because you have upgraded to Google One membership, here you can chat and you can email with Google experts who are there for you to help you, and there are the popular articles which you can see here right here. After that, these are some simple settings of Google One that you can use. So this was all about how you can use Google One app and simply backup all your things in just one click. You can also perform this same task in your web browser as well and in your PC as well. So thanks for watching. If you do like this video, subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon for further notifications.